Itu akan mengurangi nilai. Kemudian ini juga capital letter. Capital letter after after full stop, space, then you have to start with the new sentence. You have to start with the capital letters, huruf besar. And what else? Person name. Because in the first homework, you have to describe yourself and your friends, right? Most of you write your name or your friends without capital letters. Banyak.
Namanya pertama hurufnya besar, terus belakangnya boleh kecil gitu maksudnya. Must all big.
No, not all the sentence.
Must first name only.
First.
Place and then I think this capital always, right?
Yeah, but the question is, do we have to use capital letter for all the words? Not all the words, only the first letter. For example, here. This is very important.
I think use only first.
Yeah, that's correct. If you only use.
Excuse sir.
Mm-hmm.
Can we return to the first slide, please?
Wait. First slide.
Yes. But the format.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, wait. I have to finish this explanation, but but Almeida, you already understand what I'm talking about. I mean, you don't have to write the capital letter for all the letters in your name. Bukan A besar, L besar, M besar, bukan. Ya.
Contohnya Denny, cuma D-nya doang gitu.
Yes, Denny and last name?
Last name small.
No, I mean, misalnya namanya Denny Bagus.
Yeah.
D is capital letter and B is capital letter. D dan B-nya huruf besar. Siap, yang namanya Deno Utami, Budi Utami. B dan U-nya besar.
No. Deno Utami ya.
D.
Big. U big.
Yes.
Small, okay.
Yeah. The big letter usually we call it capital letter. Nah, istilahnya capital, huruf capital. Bukan big letter. What's your question?
No, I just want after you have to yes.
Okay. Anyone have question about the use of capital letter? Wahab mentioned that beside names for places, yeah, because in second homework we describe about our place to stay.
Very untidy.
Untidy. Yeah, it mentioned the town in city or country. Don't forget to use capital letters. Indonesia, E, or Taipei, T must be capital letters. Or Bandung, B should be capital letters. Okay, that's about the capital letters, person and place. This one, in the first homework, some of you use the apostrophe. I don't know what's the meaning of that. You don't have to use any kind of this apostrophe, because if you use this, it means like in dialogue. Apa ya? Seperti sesuatu yang diucapkan oleh seseorang gitu. If you make a description in your homework, in your writing, you don't have to use the apostrophe. The next mistake is you forget. Maybe some of you forget to use space. You forget. Maybe some of you forget to use space after full stop. But the other hand, some of you use space before full stop. Jadi beberapa lupa memberikan spasi setelah titik, tapi yang lain malah memberikan spasi sebelum titik. Jadi sepertinya ada yang mengkorupsi dari temannya, spasi temannya diambil kepada punya dia. So, please be careful in your writing. I didn't expect you to write very long sentence. Last night I checked one homework. I forgot, maybe from Najmiyah. You write very long description. I think almost 2 pages. That's right. Dua sampai hampir 2 halaman. Iya bukan? Iya. Yeah. That's good. But I didn't expect that. I mean, yeah, it's okay if you have time. Kalau no, that's okay. That's not a big problem. I mean, jangan sampai yang lain merasa, wah kalau Mbak Najmiyah sampai 2 halaman, saya mesti 3 halaman. No, so if you have time, if you enjoying your homework, itu berarti dia seneng ngerjain PR-nya. Saya kasih PR lagi bentar. The most important thing is I expect you to do the right thing. Jadi cukup 1 halaman, tapi jelas. Jadi if you write 1 page, not very long description, you have time to recheck again your writing. Check again the capital letter, check again about the full stop mark, point dan lain sebagainya. Jadi tapi hebatnya dia udah panjang-panjang itu betul tanda titiknya nggak ada yang kelupaan. Thank you. Yang lain saya rasa ya cukup tidak terlalu pendek, nggak ada yang pendek. Ada sih yang pendek, saya lupa tapi namanya. Yang kenapa ketawa? Jadi saya nggak perlu nyebut namanya tuh. I don't have to mention your name. But yeah, that's okay. At least you, after you write 1 or 2 sentences, you have to check again this point. Penulisannya udah benar belum? Jangan sampai udah nulis cuma 2 kalimat, tapi nanti ya lupa tanda titik dan sebagainya. Masa 2 kalimat aja lupa gitu. Malu sama yang 3 halaman. Berapa? 4 halaman tadi. No, bukan masalah pinter, cuma yang lain juga pinter kok sama. All of you is, I believe all of you is smart student, smart person, but it's about, berarti dia nggak ada kerjaan itu. Enggak, just kidding. Okay, so remember this very carefully, yeah. Especially in this class, because we're talking about writing, you have to write correctly. Saya akan sangat sedih dan kecewa kalau udah masuk kelas bahasa Inggris writing, you already attend this class, but you still write the wrong sentence, or you cannot write correctly. That means this class is mean nothing to you. So please be careful of this. Yang baru datang, what's your name? Kusmawati. You remember your student ID number? Okay. While I'm waiting to Kusmawati to mention his student ID number, I think we can go on to our module today. Okay, now we come to Module 3. Alhamdulillah.